welcome guys to our channel. This is our channel right now. Today we are going to be making something different. This is called a starter culture. You need one fresh lemon, you need your measuring cups, you need your milk, you need your container, and of course you need hot water or boiled milk. Okay, it is this culture that we're going to make this thing in 3 stages. The first stage, what we'll get from this one is called the grandmother. I call it the grandmother culture. We're going to ferment it for like 12 to 24 hours. So the result, we're not going to use it to ferment another small milk, which will give you the mother culture. Because if you use this one, this culture immediately to ferment your final yogurt, the taste will not be nice. So we're going to do it twice to the third time so that you will have a nice tasty yogurt. So when we get this result, we're going to use to ferment the next one called the mother culture, and then we will now use the mother culture to ferment our main yogurt. So for this starter culture, we're going to be using half cup of milk, and 1 cup of water. Well, the water is white because that's the pot I used to boil the milk for that yogurt we just made. Right now, I'm just transferring this milk into this container. This is the container I want to use to ferment the starter culture, okay? You just cut it halfway through and put it, just dump it in there and cover it. As we've covered it, now we're going to wrap it up. We are going to wrap it up. We have to conserve this temperature for the next 12 hours. So you just keep wrapping like that, and then you keep it in a very warm place in your kitchen. You can put it, if you have an oven, you can put it inside your oven or a cupboard, but keep it somewhere dark, somewhere that has heat in your kitchen, and then we'll come and check it after 12 hours. Okay. Now that we have made our grandmother culture, just all you have to do is to repeat the same process to get your mother culture. So sorry, I couldn't complete the process. Okay, I didn't really have the time to do all of that because for the mother culture, you have to incubate it for 12 good hours. And then after the 12 hours, you will now use that mother culture to make your main yogurt. So you see the 3 phases I talked about. So it's quite simple to make, okay? But please and please and please, I did my research to see if lemon actually has this good bacteria in it, that is the Lactobacillus buccaricus and the Streptococcus thermophilus. But I didn't see anything, any article that says it has it. But do your own research, like I said. But what I know is that lemon do have something on the skin that reacts with milk and then leads to the curdling. It coagulates and all that, but I don't know if it has any nutritional value to your body. So do your research, because the most important reason why people consume yogurt is because of these probiotics. So why will you eat something that really doesn't have that? But please, like I said, I'm not an authority in this aspect, but do your own findings and let me know if you have a better knowledge about this. Please let me know. I'll be so grateful. I'm open to learning as well. But this is how starter culture that is so popular. This is what it is. It's as simple as ABC. So thank you so much, guys, for supporting. I'm seeing youthful handwork on this channel. Thank you. Big, big hug from me. Big hug, kisses. Love you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I will do my best to continue to deliver and see that if not hundred thousands of you, are empowered in this, in any of the businesses that I'm going to be sharing with time. God bless you. See you next time. Bye.